Hi everyone, I want to talk to you for a minute about how to use assessments in recruiting. There's a lot of different assessments out there. We get a lot of questions about how to use assessments, and I just want to make you aware of a couple of things. There are skills-based assessments that will test for certain specific skills. For example, you can find an assessment out there that some of them work really, really well to test for things like coding ability against different languages. And there's other assessments that will test things like writing skills, accelerated math skills, these sorts of things. Whatever you pick for a skills-based test, make sure that you are testing a specific thing, that you are testing all of your candidates in the same way, and that you are not choosing an assessment that can be perceived as discriminatory against someone for whom English is a second language. The other kind of testing that we can do in recruiting is testing that looks at certain key behaviors or competencies. There are some assessments out there that will look at things like communication styles, motivators, behavioral competencies. There is one that we use and are certified in, and it's through TTI, and it's a trimetrics assessment that looks at a DISC assessment, motivational factors, and behavioral competencies. We can use that either before an interview, during an interview, or as part of the onboarding process. One thing I will caution you against is using other kinds of personality or personality preference tests, because these are not an accurate predictor of performance in the job. Hope this was helpful, and check us out on LinkedIn.